Have you ever seen a picture like this, whereby you've seen something like this, like this, like this, and you are wondering how this is created? You and I believe that these are actually beautiful creations, and you might be wondering how something this beautiful is actually created. Well, think no further. I'm actually going to be showing you how all of these beautiful things are actually created. First thing first, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Puzzle Code, and I'll be glad to show you this simple process in this video today. It's only going to take just simple process. What you just need to do is the only thing you just need to do is to go to your browser, and you're going to type this exact URL. Whatever browser you are using, either Explorer, Firefox, or Chrome, it works. Any browser works fine. The only thing that is just required of you is for you to have a Microsoft account. That is just what you need to use. So for some of us that has a student Microsoft account, that will not work. I tried it with my student Microsoft account, it does not work. But for those of us that actually have many other accounts, like aside from student account, it's going to work fine. So what you're going to be typing is bing.com/images/create. So when you click on it, you're going to be taken to this page, and here is where you're going to be seeing whatever it is that people have created. These are images that has been created by a lot of people. I get what I'm trying to say. These are the images that have been created by a lot of people, and you can really continue, or you can do whatever it is you want to do on this particular website. Whatever I think, the only thing that is limited, that is going to be your limitation, is your prompt. Did you understand? If you know how to prompt very, very well, you are going to have a very good result. So now let us take a good look at what we're saying. So I will just simply look at it and say images. As I want to see how this work, you know what will happen? I'm just going to click on surprise me to see, but no, don't let us click on surprise me. Let me click on something else. So peradventure, I really want to create something. Now I can say create a character, animated 3D character wearing office wear. The character right. Let us see what this is going to create for us after. Yeah, good. Can you see what I'm saying? This is it. Now this is it. Yeah, this is it. Can you see? Wow. Do you see this? So You can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things to you to it. You can the only thing you just need to do is to, I told you, your prompt will be the one that will determine how good your image will come out. Do you understand what I'm saying now? It's your prompt that will determine how good your image will come out. So now, this is what we've been able to create. So and if you want to design it now, I can say create an animated realistic 3D character. I want to actually tweak it a bit. Character is a male standing behind the social media profile. Modern. Okay, modern. Okay, that. Okay, and it's beautiful. So what that's okay. The male should be wearing glasses. And also, let me put, and also the male should be what can we think? Let us think of something. Okay, let me shoot. Now she's wearing glasses, and also the profile name should be Pussy Code. All right, let's create it. All right, look at it. This is it. Can you see? Let me click it. Can you see? This is it. Very, very, very Pussy Code. Do you say realistic character? Pussy Code. That is it. Pussy Code. Okay. So that is it. That's how to do it. So guys, if you see value in this, just drop a comment, drop a like. See you in the next video.